This is DJI's brand new action camera, Osmo Action 5 Pro. This showcase is sponsored by DJI. And here it is! DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Adventure Combo comes in this nicely designed box. Inside the box we're greeted with two more boxes and a selfie stick hiding at the bottom. The selfie stick is very light yet durable and easy to extend and contract. This thing extends to 1.5 meters. Then we get an adapter mount, USB-C to USB-C cable, some papers, some stickers, battery case with 1950 mAh batteries in it. That gives Osmo Action 5 Pro 4-hour video recording time. Previously the batteries were 1770 mAh. And then in the other tiny box we can find protective frame, curved adhesive base, and the mini adapter mount with shorter legs, 2 locking screws, and Osmo Action 5 Pro itself. The design of Osmo Action 5 Pro is very similar to Osmo Action 4. It has the USB-C connection on one side, battery and memory card on the other. There are some minor changes, but at the end Osmo Action 5 Pro is same size as Osmo Action 4. As expected, the touchscreen is very responsive. It is very easy to change the settings. Osmo Action 5 Pro has OLED screens. They're bigger and they are a lot less affected by polarized sunglasses. And after the first time you turn on Action 5, it turns on very quickly the next time. DJI also has this multifunctional charging handle. This thing comes with a wristband and a dust-proof mount for the USB-C port. At the back, it has a USB-C and mic connection. The buttons are nice and sturdy. There's a tripod mount on the left. The handle can turn into a mini tripod. However, it doesn't extend. The top part has adaptive mount and you can adjust its angle and rotation. When it comes to ND filters, the ND filters are same as Osmo Action 4. These are very cleverly designed ND filters. You don't need to take off the waterproofing lens protector. ND filter gets mounted by friction over the lens protector. And you can wirelessly connect two DJI Mic 2s to Osmo Action 5 Pro. With Osmo Action 4, you were only able to connect one wireless microphone. Osmo Action 5 Pro can record videos up to 4K 120 frames per second in real HDR or 10-bit D-Log-M in any aspect ratio or lens selection. And you can still monitor the footage on device while still using the app, which is kinda crazy. So now let's connect the wireless microphone to Osmo Action 5 Pro and go outside. There are a couple of reasons why DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro really a pro action camera. First of all, the new sensor. It is 1/1.3 inch sensor, but it is a new one. And this sensor delivers 13.5 stop dynamic range. And this high dynamic range goes up to 4K 60 frames per second. And it doesn't stop there. It also has a pro level 4 nanometer chip. This brand new chip consumes less power, but it can do high computational stuff like subject tracking. I see a square around me. Let's put it down and see what it does. Action 5 Pro follows you around by cropping the image. The highest resolution you can use in this mode is 2.7K. This thing has a built-in pressure gauge integrated with air and water pressure detection. It can also start recording when it is underwater, and it can stop recording once it's out of water. So you don't have to deal with any buttons at all. Also, because it has an OLED screen, it supports always on screen. So you see some information on the screen when the screen turns off to save battery. This thing can record video in D-Log 10-bit which is fantastic. 10-bit is something we really enjoy because it takes the degradation away, because it gives you a lot more colors. But on top of that, this thing can record in HDR, and not the fake HDR. It is actually the real HDR, the BT 2100 HDR, where you can get the highs and lows in your footage as you wish. It's not just called HDR, you know what I mean, right? You know what I'm doing here, right? And I guess one of the most important things on DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is the 47 gigabytes of internal storage that gives you 1 hour and 3 minutes of 4x3 4K 120 frames per second video recording option. Osmo Action 5 Pro is also waterproof up to 20 meters without a case. Alright, now it's time to perform one of the most important tests, and that is the tunnel test. Let's see what happens. Oh, looking good. And now let's check out Osmo Action 5 Pro's Super Night Mode. Let's go outside in the middle of the night. Okay. Touch screen is very responsive. What do you think?
Oh, it's very responsive.
Yeah.
And I never use these, but I figured it out pretty quick already, I think.
If you switch to the front, you can use front screen as well. You just need to swipe up and then you can use it. Well, thank you very much for watching this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it. I shot it on Osmo Action 5, and I hope that gave you an idea about what this camera can do. Please let me know what you think about Osmo Action 5 Pro in the comment section below. And would you like me to compare it to... If you like me to compare it to, let me know in the comment section below. And until I see you the next time, take really good care of yourselves. And hoşça kalın.